According to recent research, a staggering 45% of working-age adults in the United States are engaged in some form of side hustle. Side hustles are empowering individuals like you and me to follow our passions, boost our income, and create a life of financial freedom. Here are 5 of the top validated side hustles of 2023 that have gained traction and their industry's earning potential. 1. E-commerce and dropshipping. With the rise of online shopping, starting your own e-commerce business or running a dropshipping store can be a game changer. You can sell products online without the need for inventory management, making it a flexible and potentially profitable venture. Research suggests that global e-commerce sales are projected to reach a whopping $4.5 trillion by 2023. It's an immense market waiting to be tapped into, and you can be a part of it. 2. Freelancing. Freelancing continues to be a popular choice for individuals with specialized skills. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or marketer, freelancing platforms provide opportunities to find clients and offer your services on a project basis. Freelancers contribute a staggering $1.2 trillion to the U.S. economy each year. The demand for freelance services is soaring, and with the right skills and determination, you can create a successful online freelance career. 3. Online tutoring. The demand for online education and tutoring has skyrocketed, making it an excellent side hustle for those with teaching or subject-specific expertise. You can offer tutoring services in various subjects, languages, or even music lessons, leveraging online platforms to connect with students globally. The e-learning market is projected to surpass $375 billion by 2026, opening up a world of possibilities for passionate individuals like you. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another side hustle that's been gaining tremendous momentum. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. The affiliate marketing industry is expected to grow to over $8.2 billion by 2022. So, if you have a passion for marketing and connecting people with valuable products, this side hustle could be your golden ticket. 5. Virtual assistants. Many businesses and entrepreneurs require assistance with administrative tasks, social media management, customer support, and more. Offering virtual assistant services remotely can be a valuable side hustle, especially if you have organizational and communication skills. According to a report by Global Market Insights, the global virtual assistant market is projected to reach a value of over $19 billion by 2027, driven by the increasing need for cost-effective and efficient support services.